This is January 3rd, 2022. Happy New Year, everyone. This will be my first video of the year. I was contacted from Ron from Lexivon, and he asked me if I would do a review of his aluminum miter saw Protractor, and small company out of Los Angeles there. And it come wrapped in this. It was sent in a UPS box, but I'm wrapped in this. And here's the actual Lexivon miter saw Protractor. So there's a plastic wrap on the outside of here, and open it up here, see what we get. We'll see what's inside. So we'll take a look what's inside here. Instructions. Looks like a limited lifetime warranty. You can register it. So the warranty card. Here's the manual. It shows you the inside corner, outside corner. Your miter gauge on your miter saw here. Some pointers. And here's your compound cut conversion table. So here's the actual miter saw itself. We'll take a look at this today. So all aluminum construction etched very nicely. You can see those numbers very easily. Now it's got two cuts, single cut. Use the outside scale, so the outside scale, and then it says miter cut. Use the inner scale reading to set your miter saw. So the inner one is your miter saw. Here's little holes to hang it up, I guess. And all aluminum. And then the serial numbers in the back here. Serial number in the back. And this is where you would adjust that. You adjust that set screw here. That's the only part of the miter saw that is metal. Everything else is aluminum. Very small, very compact, very well laid out. So here's my gas fireplace. It sits on a pedestal here, and we're going to use our protractor to get our angle. And you got 22.5. That's our miter saw cut. We're going to use 22.5. So here's our reading, 22.5. We'll set our saw to 22.5. It actually clicks in place here at 22.5. It's actually one of the settings on the miter saw here. So just lock this in place here. It clicks in, lock it in place. 22.5. Make our cut. So again, 22.5 on the protractor here. We'll move our saw over to the 22.5. Lock it in place. And make our cut. So is our 22.5 on our gas fireplace pedestal. Lines up perfectly here. And I did cut another one there just to show you the different one. 22.5 here, lines up nicely. So many uses on this miter saw protractor. Check our table saw here, make sure it's nice and 90 degrees here. This is called what they call the inside corner here. And you can see, I think it's 46 here. And we're lining up some, this is just test pieces there just to show you. Lines up nicely there. Next one's the outside corner here. And it's about 45, I think, close to 45. And we cut these pieces and they fit perfectly here. So what are these holes used for actually? Hanging on a pegboard? I don't think so. Well, you can be, but hang on, I'll show you in a second what they're used for. So these holes do have a purpose, and even these scribes on the bottom. I did a video of this not too long ago. So we're going to try to use this to make circles, and just give you an idea how we're going to try it. This is just like a compost container, and we're going to measure the bottom of it, and then scribe a circle, see if we can get about the same size circle on this. So we'll measure the bottom of it. We're going to get about, I would say, 7. Divide that in half and 3.5. So approximately about 3.5. We'll make our circle there now. Just hold it down with a screwdriver to pivot point here. We'll draw our circle. Nice circle. Made a nice job. There you go. Who would have thought that this miter gauge protractor could make circles? Very unique. This aluminum miter saw protractor, all kinds of different angles you can use here, and inside angle, outside angle. So this Lexivon aluminum LX-230 miter saw protractor, very unique tool, has lots of nice features, and I'd like to thank Ron for sending this to me, and I like the fact that it has a serial number on the back and that you can track that way. So stay tuned and ring that bell, because we got some other things coming up. Apparently, Olight has a sale coming, flash sale coming January the 13th, 2022. So stay tuned for that. Ring that bell. Be notified the next time I upload these 2 videos coming up. I thank all my subscribers, all my new subscribers. Thanks so much for subscribing to my channel. Watch this for the first time today. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video. Have a great day, people.